Prophet Muhammad was born in Mecca, a city in present-day Saudi Arabia. His birth took place in the year 570 CE, a period often referred to as the Year of the Elephant. This year is named after an event in which an army led by an Ethiopian general named Abraha, who had elephants in his forces, attempted to attack Mecca but was miraculously defeated. Mecca was an important trading and religious center long before Muhammad's time. It was known for the Kaaba, a sacred sanctuary that housed numerous idols and was a major pilgrimage site for pre-Islamic Arabian tribes. Muhammad's lineage is traced to the Quraysh tribe, one of the most respected tribes in Mecca. His family was well regarded and held significant status in the city, with his father, Abdullah, being from the Banu Hashim clan of the Quraysh. The house where Muhammad was born, known as the House of the Prophet, is situated near the Kaaba in the heart of Mecca. Today, the area around his birthplace has undergone significant changes, with modern developments and the expansion of the Masjid al-Haram, the Grand Mosque surrounding the Kaaba. Despite these changes, the significance of his birthplace remains central to Islamic history and pilgrimage practices.